Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today, we are moving away from silicon chips and circuits to look at something that arguably has a bigger impact on your daily life than a new smartphone. We are reviewing this high-temperature resistant Japanese-style ceramic casserole pot. In a world of non-stick pans and rapid air frying, there is something timeless about slow cooking in mineral clay, so let us see if this adds value to your kitchen. First, let us talk about the design. This pot features a classic double-ear design. While that might sound like a simple aesthetic choice, it is actually a vital functional feature. These handles are engineered to help you move the pot safely, which is essential when dealing with high-heat ceramics. The pot also features a raised rim design. This is a subtle but very smart detail because it stops liquids from bubbling over onto your stovetop, saving you a massive amount of cleaning time. The lid fits very snugly, which is perfect for trapping steam and pressure to ensure your food cooks evenly. The material science here is quite interesting. It is crafted from high-quality mineral clay. Unlike stainless steel or aluminum, this material is designed to release trace minerals into your food as it cooks, which theoretically adds to the flavor profile and nutritional density of your meals. It is also surprisingly durable. The manufacturer claims it can handle thermal shocks ranging from -20 degrees up to 500 degrees Celsius. This wide tolerance means you can move it from a stovetop to a cooling surface without the fear of it cracking or shattering, provided you use common sense. In terms of performance, it excels at uniform heating. Because the clay retains heat so efficiently, it creates a very consistent cooking environment. This makes it ideal for soups, stews, and steamed rice where you want the temperature to stay stable throughout the entire process. It works beautifully on gas stoves and electric ceramic stoves, making it quite versatile for most modern home setups. Now, for the pros and cons. On the pro side, you get incredible heat retention and a design that is genuinely beautiful to look at. It is an appliance that you can serve directly from, which saves you an extra dish to wash. The ease of cleaning is another major highlight as the glazed surface is largely non-stick. The biggest con is the nature of ceramic itself. While it is durable, it is not as impact resistant as metal. You have to be careful not to drop it or bang it against your sink faucet. It is also not compatible with induction cooktops, so keep that in mind if your kitchen setup is exclusively induction-based. Ultimately, this casserole pot is for those who enjoy the ritual of cooking. It is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to slow down and produce more flavorful, wholesome meals. If you are tired of burnt edges and uneven cooking, this mineral clay pot is a significant upgrade to your culinary toolkit. It balances old-world cooking methods with a clean, modern aesthetic that looks great in any kitchen. I have put together all the details you need to check this out for yourself. Link in the description.